What if I told you the greatest mystery in the Bible isn't where the Ark of the Covenant is, but what it was truly pointing to? Millions have searched for the Ark, believing it holds unimaginable power. But the greatest secret was never its location, it was its meaning. The Ark of the Covenant wasn't just a sacred golden box. It was the very symbol of God's presence among his people. Wherever the Ark went, victory followed. The Jordan River parted before it. The walls of Jericho fell when it was carried around the city. Even Israel's enemies feared it. But here's the mystery. Inside the Ark were three extraordinary items: the stone tablets of the Ten Commandments, Aaron's rod that miraculously budded, and a golden jar of manna. These represented God's law, God's authority, and God's supernatural provision. Above the Ark sat the mercy seat, where the blood of sacrifice was sprinkled once each year. Why? Because mercy had to cover the broken law. Without mercy, no one could stand before a holy God. Then something incredible happened. When Jesus Christ came, he fulfilled everything the Ark represented. He perfectly kept God's law. He became our eternal high priest, represented by Aaron's rod. He declared himself the bread of life, fulfilling the manna. And through his blood, he became the true mercy seat, giving humanity direct access to God. When Jesus died, the veil of the temple was torn from top to bottom. God's presence was no longer confined to a golden box hidden in the Holy of Holies. Through Christ, God's Spirit now dwells within everyone who believes. So perhaps the greatest mystery isn't where the Ark disappeared to. The greatest mystery is that God no longer lives inside an ark made by human hands. Through Jesus Christ, he chooses to live inside his people. The search for the Ark may never end, but if Christ lives in you, the presence that the Ark once symbolized is already with you. That is the mystery that changes everything.